What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Makia, and today I'm going to be doing When You Bring Slime in Class Part 2. So yeah, let's get right on to the video. Before I get to the video, please subscribe to this video. Big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, be in the notification squad. And yeah, hashtag Squishy Club to get a shout out. So let's get right on to this video. We gotta do this test again. But at least I got some slime. And I'm not letting Kayla play with it. My baby slime too. Hey, my kid, can I play with that slime? Nope, because the last time I let you play with my slime, and you told the teacher on me, and then you got me in trouble. So no. Please, I promise I won't tell him anymore. I won't hide it if she's coming. Fine. I don't want any of the beads on the table or the floor because I'm trying not to get in trouble. I don't want any of them falling out. Okay. Here. Thank you. So pretty. Oops. Oopsies. She won't mind. Oops. I guess I'll have to give this back to her. Oops. Here. What did you do? Because I thought I had more beads than this. My slime is super crunchy. Now you know I didn't do nothing to that slime. Okay. I'm gonna go home finally. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2 of this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, be in the notification squad, and yeah, bye guys. Hashtag Squishy Club to be in the Squishy squad. Bye guys.